Hi guys, and welcome to part 20 of Angular with Firebase application tutorials. On the last part we learned how to get the details of a book from the database, and on this part we will make the necessary changes to show the book details to the user. So for that, let's go to book.component.ts file, because this is the file that is going to handle the details of a book. And we want to show to the user all the book details, like for example the book title, the book author, etc. So in here just write the title, the author, the data read, and whatever property the book has that we want to show to the user. By default, all these values are of type any, so you don't need to change anything in here. Now what we need to do next is that we need to assign values to these properties. So for that, go to the subscribe function, and inside here just write this.title is equal to the title of the book that we subscribe to. So book.title. The same way we write for other properties, and remove the console.log, save the changes and go to your book.component.html, because this is the view that we are going to show all the book details. I'm going to copy paste the code from my GitHub repository and provide a link down below on the description section for you to get it as well. So we are going to start by md toolbar, and here we are going to write book details. Just go to your browser to check if it works, and we see that we have the toolbar in here with book details value, and below this toolbar just paste this code. I'm going to provide a link on the description section so you can get the same code as well. So what we do in here is that we have declared a div which has the class details book, and we say that ng-if title, which means that show this div to the user when the title has a value. And inside this div we have a card because we want to show the user the data using a card, and the card has the card title, the card content, and the card actions. On the card actions we have three new buttons: the all books, which is going to redirect the user to the books component. We have the edit button. This is going to redirect the user to the edit book component, and the last button is the delete button, and this button is used to redirect the user to the delete book component. On the md card title, we use the string interpolation, which we have learned on the previous parts, to display the data from the component to the view. On the md card content, we are going to show an image. The same way, by using the string interpolation, we are going to use the image URL property as a source for this image tag. And on the right we are going to have the md list, and this md list contains a lot of md list items. Here we see that we are using the material icons like a star icon. Just below that one we are going to display another toolbar with a value description. In case the book does not have a description, this is a case where the book is not read yet, then we are just going to show to the user no description for this book. Let's save the changes and go back to your browser. In here we are going to see the book details, like the book title in here, the author, the data that was read, the rating, etc. At the bottom we have three buttons. We have the all books button, and this is going to redirect us to all the books. So here we see that we have all the books. On the next part we are going to implement this view, and after that one we are going to start implementing the editing functionality. So guys, this is all for this part. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.